the short answer is they don't really compare that well. Bellwether is going to be probably a little bit more expensive than the big box retailers, but the age-old adage, you get what you pay for, is 100% true in this case. When it comes to replacing the windows in your home, you want a custom solution. It really does not cost that much more to get a custom solution. It's something where you're gonna get huge benefits over what you're gonna get from a big box retailer. If you're going to that big box retailer and you're getting standard size windows that might be a little bit too small for the openings of your home, you're opening yourself up to the same kind of issues that you've been dealing with while you're looking to replace your windows in the first place. Draftiness, low energy efficiency. Those are some of the problems you're gonna get if you're not looking at a custom solution. Additionally, when you work with Bellwether, not only are you gonna get the custom solution, the custom sizing, you're gonna get a high quality window that's actually gonna improve the efficiency of your home. We're gonna use high quality products, really durable products, and we're gonna install it right. A lot of times that means installing a window with a nail fin. The application of putting a window in with a nail fin means that we're gonna remove the trim, put the window in, tape around it, seal it really well. It's not only gonna be affixed to your home properly, securely, but it's going to be sealed really well. And we're gonna put a high quality durable trim back up with flashing. So you're gonna be directing water away from the home. You're gonna get an installation that's gonna last.